The CEO of AstraZeneca speaking out about the company's vaccine trial that was shut down after a woman in the UK experienced neurological symptoms that are consistent with a rare and serious spinal disorder. Meg Terrell joins us right now. She's got more on the latest there. And Meg, the more we hear about this, maybe the more confusing it gets.
Yeah, Becky, and it's sort of in the nature of the way the information is coming out. So Pascal Soriot, the CEO of AstraZeneca, was speaking at a pre-organized conference he'd been scheduled to participate in, scheduled by Tortoise Media, and saying there as part of this conference that they do believe, if and when they're able to start their trial, and depending on that they will have results available by the end of the year to submit for regulatory approval. So he believes if this is allowed to restart in a timely way, that they could still potentially have an approved vaccine by the end of this year or early 2021. Now, he also emphasized that they are awaiting an official diagnosis of this woman in the UK who developed this neurological condition. That trial restart date, he said, is unknown, and that decision is in the hands of an independent safety committee. Now, Soriot this morning also trying to emphasize that it's not uncommon in vaccine trials to have a pause like this, given their size. He said, quote, "It's very unusual for a vaccine trial to not stop. The difference is," he said, "with other vaccine trials is the whole world is not watching them." And that's an important point, guys. Of course, the whole world is watching these trials. And so that's why when yesterday the news came out that Soriot had given more details on a private investor call arranged by JP Morgan than the company had been giving publicly and in response to detailed questions from the media, many eyebrows were raised. Some of the details that we learned on that call were that he said the diagnosis was not confirmed, although they are neurological symptoms. And Dr. Francis Collins, the director of the NIH yesterday, used the term transverse myelitis to describe it, although they say it isn't confirmed yet. A very important point that he also made on that call is that this person was on the vaccine arm of the trial. She did not receive placebo. So we still don't know if it was caused by the vaccine or not. But guys, this is raising a lot of questions. Back over to you.
Meg, how complicated is it to diagnose transverse myelitis? What kind of testing does it take? How long will it be before they can actually say, yes, it is, or no, it's not?
That's a good question. I'm not sure how long that diagnosis takes. I think what the more complicated question is going to be is if they can prove it was not related to the vaccine. If the person started to have symptoms before she was vaccinated, if they can prove that it is not related, then the trial will be able to restart sooner. But experts I've been talking with say, while they heard this and thought, oh, that's probably not related to the vaccine, it will be very difficult to disprove it. So that's what we're waiting for.